Why am I on a pirate ship? I could get killed. Ringing the doorbell. It's coming.
Wait a minute. What are you doing at my ship?
I don't know, I just got sent here out of nowhere.
Well, now get off the ship. I don't allow random people here.
Come on. Can I stay here?
No.
If you don't let me stay here, I will get mad.
Get off the ship or I will make you.
That's it. Ha 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 ha. I steal your treasure, that's what you get.
How dare you? That's it. I shall make you walk the plank. Go to the plank now.
Oh no, I don't want to walk the plank. This is a really good idea.
Don't worry, I am here to help.
Yes! Android Mail is saving me.
Okay, I will teleporting you back home.
123 go.
Yes! I am back home.